Imagine walking into an old warehouse in Bulgaria and finding 11 brand new BMW 5 Series cars that have never touched the road. No owners, no mileage, and no explanation for more than 20 years. Back in the 1990s, a local company purchased a batch of E34 BMW 5 Series models, mostly 520i and 525i, including one touring wagon. They were intended either for a rental fleet or, according to some sources, for government use. But for reasons no one can fully confirm, they were never registered, never driven, and never delivered. Instead, all 11 cars were locked away in a storage building in the city of Blagoevgrad. And there they stayed, untouched. When people finally discovered them, it looked like a time capsule from the 90s. Several cars still had the factory protective plastic on the seats. The dashboards and interior panels looked completely new, the buttons had that fresh, unused shine, and the odometer still showed delivery mileage. Under the hood, each car carried BMW's iconic inline-six engines, the very heart of what made the E34 such a legendary model. These cars were basically brand new examples of a chassis enthusiasts consider one of the toughest BMWs ever built. But time didn't spare everything. While the interiors remained preserved, the exteriors suffered. Some bodies showed signs of humidity, rust, and dust buildup. Years of being sealed inside a warehouse had slowly taken their toll. Yet even with these flaws, these cars remain unbelievably rare finds. One interesting twist is the legal side. Because these cars were produced under old European emission standards, registering them today as new vehicles might be complicated in several countries. Some markets may require them to be registered as classics instead, despite having 0 miles. According to reports, the owners plan to auction the cars once they completed the necessary evaluations. Experts estimated that each BMW could sell for around 15,000 euros, depending on condition. For a brand new E34, that's almost unreal. But the biggest mystery remains unsolved. Why were these cars locked away for 2 decades? Who bought them? And why did they never return to collect them? Whatever the truth is, this warehouse discovery became one of the most incredible automotive finds of the decade, a frozen moment in BMW history. If you enjoyed this story and want more unbelievable barn finds and automotive mysteries, don't forget to support the video with a like and subscribe to the channel. And now, tell me, which car do you think is still hiding somewhere, waiting to be discovered? Drop your answer in the comments.